How you going, guys? I've been using lanolin on the trailer for a fair while now, and I've tried this Lanotec steel seal as a bit of a comparison with its mate Lanotec Heavy Duty. Now what I've gathered is this Lanotec steel seal seems to cause this white pitting. I mean, as soon as you spray more on, it goes away, but I didn't have that with this Lanotec Heavy Duty, so I just find I go regularly apply this steel seal. Just seems to come off with the salt wash and soaps and whatever, and so I really rate this this Lanotec Heavy Duty. I mean, all in all, the trailer's still in bloody awesome nick. It's a couple of years old now. Gives it like a bit of a waxy colour, but don't really care, mate. Like, just want it to last, so I don't have to keep forking out coin for a new trailer or whatever. So yeah, I rate the this Heavy Duty over the steel seal. I mean, if you can get it fairly cheap, I've bought the Heavy Duty in a 5 litre drum, and they're about the same price, about $90 for 5 litres or something. Now, I normally only put the Heavy Duty on once a year. This steel seal I've had to sort of put on every couple of trips, so I'm just going to use the last of it up and switch back to the Lanotec Heavy Duty, I reckon. Alright guys, well that's the honest opinion of the steel seal over the Lanotec Heavy Duty. Cheers.